Well, hello folks, this is Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. We are going to take up the FMS Viper 15-year edition. All right, running a
mid-rate, high rate, motor on.
Running a Spectrum 3200 6S inner. All right, let me back up a little bit. Well, I've got her facing away from me. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, we're going to do no flaps, running my mid rates, which for me are 95% over 30% expo. High are 95, my mid are 80, and my low are 65. Let's go with the mid, which is 80% over 30% expo. Timer is set for 3.5 minutes. I basically have got that I've got the battery as far back. Actually, we're gonna go low rates. As far back in that bay as I dare get it. I need a little bit of down trim. Maybe I need to pull that battery just a little bit further forward.
Landing flaps, gear down.
All right. Turn it around here. Well, it does have an awfully good sound to it. All right. Almost killing the power. All right, I'm going to move that battery forward just a touch because she's still wanting to climb on me. All right, let's put our elevator back to neutral. All right. Motor off. I had the battery all the way back, but she still seemed like she's wanting to climb on me, like she's, see, that's where I've got the 3200. Let's move it forward just a touch, I should have marked it. I wish I had my marker with me. I could, there, just a touch. See, when you don't fly a plane very often, then you go to fly it again, you're like, okay, what did I do last time? All right. Yeah, that gives me about, well, about 2 finger lengths of space in there. So, all right. Okay, see if I don't like that a little bit better. Now you're thinking, well, wait a minute, how come you're filming with your hat cam? Where's your camera lady at? Well, she got to take a break once in a while. And I got to keep flying. And yeah, I got this nice GoPro. I want to make use of it. So, love the colors. That yellow really does show up well. Now, she still seems like she's wanting to, no. Actually, she's fine. That was the ticket. That was the ticket.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Full speed right there. Sorry if I lost you there.
Landing flaps, gear down.
All right, I'm out of the power now. There we go. Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie. All right, here we go. You know what? There's no wind, so it doesn't really matter.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Bring her by, let her glide. Power's off. There, now the power's on. What a sweet
Gear down. Landing flaps.
flying little jet. Does want to balloon a little bit on those landing flaps. So maybe a little more down deflection, maybe 20% instead of 15.
Flaps
Okay, an unintentional bounce and go. Gonna leave the gear down now.
Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
All right, here we go. All right, we got enough for one more from right there.
Takeoff flaps.
Real quick, let me go to my flap system and give myself a little more. Oh wait, you know, I didn't have anything in for, I had no mix in. I'm remembering from a different plane. All right, well that might be part of the problem. All right, here we go.
Flaps up. Landing flaps. Seconds.
Sorry about that. I know I lost it over my head.
20 seconds.
Yeah, that flat mix is good. Down 10% on the elevator for landing. Hey, stayed on the runway.
Flaps up.
All right.
9.
Yeah, I like that battery placement better.
Motor on.
And I will tell you, this plane here, the Viper, you do not bring it in with no power. You got to have some power. Otherwise, she'll pancake on you or drop a wing really, really quick. But the way the wings are, or the way the landing gear is so wide and up here, it's got good stability on the ground. It really does. And I ended up putting the 6S 30 with a 30C 3200 right there, about 2 finger lengths in from the back here. You'll see where the foam will start curving in. That's where you're meant to stop. So I'm about, oh, I got the whole cavern is open there. Now I put a little piece of wood in there to hide that bundle of wires. And that's a little tip I got from Brian Phillips, God bless him. And yeah, that's the FMS Viper 15-year anniversary edition. Viper 15-year edition. Big thumbs up. My only complaint about it is those hard wheels. You could chip concrete with them wheels. But other than that, the suspension is awesome. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then awesome jets.